Take one.
Hey, what's up, you guys?
Take two.
I think I'm trying to be like B. I want to be like B when I grow up.
That must be why you move so icy. Icy like 1017.
Hey, what's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on how I do this shrimp vegetable skillet. This is a really good healthy hearty meal, and you can eat it over a bed of brown rice, or if you're just like me and you like shrimp and vegetables, then this is just the perfect lunch or even dinner for you. So if you're interested in seeing how I'll make this, then just stay tuned. I'm going to be starting off with chopping off the end portion of the zucchini, and then I'm going to split it down the middle and just peel it. So now I'm going to begin chopping up my bell pepper, just taking off the head portion of it and then the bottom portion. And then I'm going to hollow out that middle portion where all the seeds is, and then bust it down the middle and begin dicing it up. So now I'm going to do the same thing, bust my zucchini down the middle and then split it into 3 parts and then dice it all up. So now that I have my zucchini and my red bell pepper separated, I'm going to begin to wash my bell pepper, and then I'm going to wash my zucchini and then move on to the next step. So with my next 2 vegetables, I cheat. Instead of buying fresh onion and fresh asparagus, I usually get the bag ones. So I won't have to chop it up and all that, but I still got my veggies. Alright, so moving on to the next step, I'm going to be taking some shrimp. And if you guys don't know, seafood is my favorite type of food, alright? I was literally born in Louisiana and raised in a county that sits on the Mississippi-Louisiana borderline. So believe me when I tell you, I know shrimp out the water. This ain't shrimp out the water, but for the time being, I'm going to just get it seasoned all up and pretend like it's that really good seafood. I'm going to be using garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, and pepper, and I'm going to be taking a half a teaspoon of each. Look at the flick of the wrist, yeah. Look at the flick of the wrist, yeah. Look at the flick of the wrist. Okay, seriously, moving on. Gonna be using some great value, organic, extra virgin olive oil. Ooh, you know what I'm saying? Like $2-3. And I'm gonna coat the bottom of my skillet and go ahead and add the shrimp in. And usually, this sits and I let it sit 4 minutes on each side. Yeah, 4 minutes on each side, just to make sure that it's, cooked. And then at the end, I add them back into the pan. So I'm gonna let them do their thuck thizzle. So after the 4 minutes has passed, I'm going to just flip the shrimp so that they can now cook evenly on the opposite side. Alright, starting to smell a little good up in here. These shrimp are now done, so I'm going to take them and put them in a plastic bowl, set them to the side, and we'll get back to those later. Alright, so moving on, I'm going to take that same organic extra virgin olive oil, put it in my pan, get my skillet all oiled up, and then I'm going to be taking the vegetables now. So I'm going to move on to putting in the onions, and then I'm going to put in the bell peppers. Alright, so with my onions and red bell pepper, I just stir it occasionally and let it sit and marinate for like 4 minutes. And I don't know if marinate is the word, but you know I let it sit and do its stuck thizzle. That's the word. When we say marinate on my channel, we're gonna say stuck thizzle, because girl, I don't know what else to call it. Okay? I don't know. Alright, so now I'm going to be adding in my asparagus and then eventually my chicken broth. And you guys, prior to this like recipe, I never had eaten like asparagus. Like, it wasn't my thing, but just this is so bomb, bro. It's so good, the seasoning and everything, like it's so yummy. So now I'm a fan of asparagus. So as I stated, I'm going to take some of this great value, reduced sodium chicken broth, like a cup of it, and I'm going to put it in there, whip it all up, put the top on it, and what we're going to do, let it do its stuck thizzle. We're going to let it do its stuck thizzle for a few minutes. Alright, and next I'm going to take this zucchini and I'm going to add it in there, put the top on it, again let it do its stuck thizzle for about like 3 minutes. Right, I think it's through thugging it out. So now I am going to just stir it up. My house smelling like fresh vegetables, zucchini, asparagus, bell pepper, onion, and to ice it up, I'm gonna add this shrimp in it. Come on, stir it all up. Got fresh asparagus, onions, bell peppers, zucchini, shrimp. Healthy, tasty, seasoned up. You know you want some. And yes, you guys, that is it. I usually just let it sit for another minute. That is how I get this shrimp vegetable skillet. As I stated, it's really good over brown rice, but I don't really like brown rice like that. So I just usually eat the vegetable and the shrimp. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. And I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye.